G'day guys, in this video we'll show you how to install your Suckerpunch short shifter kit. My name is Matthew, now let's begin. In your kit you'll receive your short shifter, a square spacer, a round spacer, and 4 Allen key bolts. This is Taya. Today we'll be working on her Series 2 Toyota Supra. The first thing you want to do is to ensure that you have a clean work area. This is necessary if you have to get under your car. Right, now bring your car in, open her up, and let's get this thing done. Next, remove the trim from around your shifter and remove anything that may get in the way of the installation. Next, remove the 4 10mm bolts from the retaining plate that holds the rubber shift boots. Also, you can remove the shift knob at this point. Next, remove the 3 rubber boots from around the shifter, being careful with the third one as it is quite fragile and can tear. After you remove the third rubber boot, you'll expose 4 more 10mm bolts. These bolts will be replaced with the Allen key bolts that came with your kit. For the last bolt that holds the shifter in, you may need to jack up the car and access it from underneath. When you're under the car, you'll find another dust cover. Remove this and you'll find the final bolt. Once this bolt has been removed, the shifter should simply slide out. This is just a quick picture of the short shifter next to the Series 2 and the Series 1 shifter. Assembly of your shifter is as follows: lockout plate, top plate, square spacer, plastic socket, and then the round spacer. It should look something like this. Slide the complete assembly back into the shifter housing, securing it with the 4 Allen key bolts that were supplied in the kit. Now back under the car, replace the final bolt and the dust cover. Now you can let the car down and start replacing the 3 rubber boots from around the shifter, also replacing the retaining plate. Tighten the 4 10mm bolts, ensuring that you do not strip the thread. You can now replace the trim from around your shifter and your shift knob. It is suggested that you use a weighted shift knob when using the Suckerpunch short shifter kit. Now that you are done, you can go out and enjoy your Suckerpunch short shifter. This shifter provides 30% less throw than the factory shifter, so that your gear changes are faster and reduce your track and quarter mile times. Thanks for watching guys, have fun.